Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the wall and protecting the floor. Make sure to ventilate the room. Apply a thin, even layer of chemical stripper or use a heat gun set to about 150 degrees 200 degrees for latex paints. Once done, let a chemical stripper dwell for the manufacturer time or heat until paint softens, then scrape with a 2-3-inch flexible putty knife at a low angle. You'll remove the top layer now, not deep gouges. Keep the pressure even to avoid damaging drywall. Once the bulk of paint is gone, you move to residue removal so the new finish will adhere. Sand with 80-120 grit to take off stubborn bits, then smooth with 220 grit. Make sure to sand with the grain of any texture. Vacuum dust, then wipe surfaces with a TSB substitute to remove oils and stripper residue. Rinse thoroughly and allow the wall to dry for several hours. You're preparing the surface now so primers and paints bond evenly. You finish by applying a stain-blocking primer to seal any remaining tannins and stripper traces. Make sure to follow cure time on the label before painting. Patch any gouges with lightweight spackle, sand feathered edges, and spot prime those repairs. If paint later blisters or peels, test adhesion with tape. If adhesion is poor, clean again and switch to an alkyd or bonding primer. That troubleshooting step usually restores adhesion without redoing the whole wall.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.